guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a short unboxing of the skincare products that I've got from Iherb. So without any further ado, let's start the video. This is just a few items, but some of the product that I got is my favorite product from Iherb. So, let's see. This is the box. Okay. This is how the package looks like inside. It has like this. And this is the first thing that I've got. This is Jojoba Oil, my favorite brand, which is this is organic jojoba oil. 100% pure. That's why I really love this. I am using this on my face for as makeup remover and also for my hair. So this is the first one that I've got. Let's keep all the stuff there. And I also got this mask, collagen mask from Moly. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 pieces of it. So I'm gonna try if it is good. I am using another kind of mask, but also from Moly. So this one, I'm gonna try it out. And the next product is this one, the Dermaplaner. This is the best shaver that I've got from Iherb. I've already ordered this. This is the 4th time that I've ordered it. This is very effective, especially on when you have peach fuzz on your face, those tiny hair on your face. It's really a good one. And the next thing that I've got is this one. It's a lip balm from Bees. I'm gonna try. This is the first time that I'm gonna try it, and it has different flavor. As you can see, it has a different flavor, and it says it's written here it's organic. So I'm so excited to try it on. And the other stuff is this one. Oh, I've ordered 2 of them. It's a Hydrogel Eye Patch. So I don't know if it will get rid of my eye bags, because I have eye bags as you can see. And I don't know if it will help, so I'm gonna try it. Why not? And the other thing is this dark spot brightening serum from Reviva. I'm gonna try. This is also the first time that I'm gonna try it out, so I don't know if it is effective. It's written there, the main ingredients of this is glycolic acid and kojic acid, plus niacinamide and vitamin C and arbutin and resveratrol, berberry, and licorice. So I hope, according to the reviews, it has a good review, and it is very effective. So I don't know if it is also effective on my face, so I'm gonna try it out. And the last thing that I've got is this one. This is an ice roller for a face. So I'm gonna try it because I've been trying to do the, wow, it's look like this. It's kind of big. Wow. So because I've been trying the ice to scrub an ice on my face, but the other thing that I've been using is not good because it's silicone and the water is pouring out from the silicone. So I've searched this on Google, and I saw that they have it on Iherb, so I'm gonna try it out. I think the instruction about this one is, I think I need to, you store roller in freezer. Roller will be ready for for use within 15 to 30 minutes of being in the freezer. So it won't take long in the freezer, so I'm just gonna put it in the freezer 15 to 30 minutes and it's ready. So I'm gonna try it. I'm so excited. And what is this? They have some brochure about some products, I think. Yeah, some collagen products that they are promoting. So that's all. I've got only a few of them. So that's all I got from Iherb. And I can recommend this one for you. This is really effective. This is really good oil. I keep ordering this from Iherb because it is cheaper there compared here in Israel. It's like 4 of this is only one here in Israel, so I'm buying it from Iherb. So most of the product, only this one I've been using this before, but most of this product, this is the first time that I'm gonna try it. So wish me luck. So that's it for today, and thank you so much everyone for tuning in with me, for watching my unboxing today, and I hope that you can also order this if you're interested. I will link everything on the description box so that you can check it on the site of Iherb. So that's all for today. Thank you so much guys for all your support, especially to all my members. Thank you so much, and to all my viewers, thank you so much as well. And I will keep you posted, and I guess I will see you again on my next video. I love you all and kisses.
I heard the